slash 4x4. Show is connected. Let's try to get a pass in. Alright. See if I can get a pass in. Alright, like 76% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. So please like, comment, and subscribe. So, let's see if I can get a pass without tearing this car up because it's pulling. I'm gonna try to use a lot of space this time. See if I can get over the 170s. Still ain't nobody coming. Okay, let's turn it around. All right, let's see. I look clear. Let's see what this car can do. Here I go. I can't see it though. I don't know where it went. Let's see if I can turn it around. I don't know where it's at, but I'm gonna try to turn it around anyway. See if the light will show up. There you go, I think. I don't know where I'm at. Oh, there it go. I think that's it. There it go. No, that light came back on. Light that went off. There it go. Light came back on. Whew. So I sure couldn't see it without that light. Alright, let's see what this car did. Oh, I got this car back. Shit. That motherfucking light be going off. Okay, let's see what it did. Moment of truth. Stop. Read. 171. I got 1 mile per hour. 171. Let's look at the car. 171. It's a new PB for this car. Let's see what. See what's going on. I got the new lipos. Let me see. Yeah, it's a little warm. I got these new Azure lipos. The 9,000 milliamp 2P, 2.4S's. I kind of like them. So far, I want to see what the data log look like, and you know for sure. But let's turn this off. It was hot. But car did 171. So that's a new PB for me for about 1 mile. But hey, I'm going somewhere. I'm moving up. It's going in the right direction. That's all that matters. Is that I'm going in the right direction. So let me turn this light off. This light is just connected here. But yeah, slash 4x4. 171, new personal best. I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said earlier, 76% of the people watching videos not subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. You know, you support me, I support you. I subscribe back. I reply to all comments. So, you know, let's just support each other and see how far we can get these cars to go. But thanks for watching, and I'm out.